Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to save a map in the Google Maps application. Here we do have our maps itself, and now to save a map we just have to hold our finger somewhere on the map and scroll to the right. Tap more, and here we have download offline map. Now we can select the area to save the map. So for example, I want to download the whole Krakow here, and we have to tap download button. Here, now our download has now started, and this is how to save the map from the Google Maps. Now to find it, you have to tap your preferred picture in the top right corner and tap offline maps. Here we have our map downloaded. And of course it depends on your internet connection and your phone, but if you have some faster connection it will be here. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!